YouTube.
Right, now that we got all these bushings in, now we can get the front sway bar in. Get rid of this. Add the steering rack to the shopping list. We could also get the front knuckles on. Add the front shock absorbers. That's all of it. Not missing anything from the inside. Nope. All right. Get the interior. Where body shop? Nope. Not where I need. Body tuning shop. Oh, I did not know that was in here. That's the only thing. Get the trunk off real quick. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. That's nice. I fucks with that. All right, normal mode. Let's get the interior mode. Get some interiors. Nope, not in there. Also, let's get some New York plates real quick. Amount. Honestly, let's just get like 10. Leave that blank, leave that blank, leave that blank. O B. Yes, sure. All right, back to interior shop. Don't need that. I don't know if I want that one or let's just see what steering wheels they have. I don't want something a bit more, I don't know, sporty, if you know what I mean, because none of those really look good. I will pick up a normal one just in case if I want to keep it stock, keep the steering wheel stock, if that'll be cool or not. Or do we go with like, I don't know, something else? But right now the stock steering wheel is low key winning. All right, yeah, I guess we're just gonna go with the stock steering wheel. Let's go with the seats. I needed 2, and then the bench for the RX-7 in the back. Add in there, put that in there, put that in there. This should be everything. Let's move this to the paint shop. Get this all one solid color. Do indeed not matte, not matte. Definitely gonna go with the, yeah. All black. That's what I like to see. Ew, actually. I did not hit apply. Whoops. Whole car painted all black. Much nicer. Let's move this to car lift A. And then where's the tint? I know there was tint around here. I saw it. I know I saw the tint, bro. Where the tint at, bro? Oh, it's over here. Let's go with the pitch black. You could change the tint color. That's actually kind of fire. Although I'm not going to. I'm definitely going to just get all of the windows tinted pure black. All right, we got to move this to the dyno. Make it a... Nah, it was a 5-speed manual. Let's keep that. There is no tuning ECU installed. There's no tuning carburetor installed.
I thought I had it figured out.
Holy. Is there a way to... Oh, see. Damn, the brakes are good. Oof. I don't know if that was good or not. It was definitely my fault. Alright, one last thing that we gotta do before we end this episode is we have to take it to the racetrack. We just have to. Every single car we build here will be tested on this test track. You already know. I couldn't see where I was going. This thing is very difficult to control. The handling in this game is not the best. Oh, the brakes. The brakes. Really understeery. And for some reason it's pulling to the left for some reason, which is very strange. Like we're going straight. It's pulling to the left. So one of the tires might not be the right tire. Oh my, that did. Very quick, but at the same time, a little uncontrollable. A 150. Pretty slow, all things considered. But I have a feeling one of these tires is not quite the right one. But I could be wrong about that. But all in all, not a bad build. I don't think it looks too bad. The tint really doesn't help. It's super dark inside. But regardless, we have built a fully functioning RX-7. So everybody, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll be back hopefully next week with another episode. But until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.